Yes, student. Now, the last video of the day. This is drawback or limitations of Rutherford's model of atom. Now, the problem is what? Today, in the last video, I am dealing Rutherford's model. How it is possible? Student, remember, two periods before we dealt, that is in the very early time, Rutherford model. But after many of the videos, say 10 to 12 videos, again we are going to deal Rutherford model of atom. Okay, why it is so? Actually, what? After the theory given by the Rutherford, okay, many scientists tried to examine, okay, the experiment, observations and the results given by the Rutherford. That was the development which took in these 10 to 12, between these 10 to 12 videos. And on the basis of on the basis of the postulates of different type of scientists, the theories of different type of scientists, getting like the Planck's quantum theory, okay, and the other Einstein theory, okay, the Maxwell theory. Scientists observed there are many limitations in the Rutherford model of atom. So again, very first we have to think what is Rutherford model of atom. He told that in an atom, a nucleus is present in the center of an atom, which is highly dense, and the whole mass is concentrated in this nucleus. Getting? Nucleus consists only what? Proton. There is nothing. That time neutron were not discovered. Therefore, in the Rutherford nucleus there is only what? Proton. And proton is what? It is positively charged. And around proton, that is nucleus, there are large number of fixed and continuous circular path. These fixed and circular path he named as orbit. So this is what? Orbit. In this orbit, electrons revolve. In this orbit, electron revolves around the nucleus. Okay? And the orbit are continuous and fixed. This was the total magnitude of negative charge is equal to the positive charge. Therefore, atom is stable. Electron always remains in the revolves in the circular path. It never attracted by the nucleus. Therefore, there are distance between positive and negative charge, but being the charge are balanced, therefore atom is stable. That was explained by the Rutherford. But when the different scientists examined his model, and on the basis of many theories, they found some drawback. The drawback number first, Rutherford was unable to explain stability of atom. But student, I told you, according to Rutherford, that atom is stable because the total magnitude of positive and negative charge are same. Electron and the nucleus are far away apart. Electron is always revolving around the nucleus. Therefore, it is stable. But the problem arises when the Maxwell performed an experiment. According to Maxwell wave theory, he told the model suggested by Rutherford, okay, it consists what? Very microscopic particle. It is not like the planet revolving around the sun. Actually, Rutherford told and similarized his model like a solar system. But Maxwell told that in an atom, electron and proton are not macroscopic body, but they are what? Very small microscopic body. So that law cannot be, that is the Newtonian law of motion cannot be applied on this way, on this theory. Okay. He also told that whenever a charged particle moves around another charged particle in circular path, it will accelerate. This is due to change in the direction. Although its speed will remain constant, but due to acceleration, it will lose radiations, that is energy in the form of radiation. And if it will lose energy in the form of radiation, then its path will not remain same, that is not remain constant. Earlier he told, Rutherford told that it is the fixed circular path, but what Maxwell told, on the basis of acceleration theory, he told that if the charged particle is revolving, then it will accelerate due to change in the velocity, change in the direction, and therefore it will lose energy in the form of radiation. And if it will lose energy, then its path will not remain same, but actually what, its path will become spiral. And if its path will become spiral, then a time will come when the electron, that is negatively charged electron, will fall on the nucleus, and when the positive and negative charge, that is the opposite charge, will condense or meet, it will blast, that is there will be no stability of atom, that is the atom will destruct. On the basis of it is observed that within 10 to power 8 seconds the electron will fall on the nucleus, this is due to the acceleration. So why it doesn't happen, Rutherford was unable to explain. The second drawback was he was unable to explain line spectrum of hydrogen. Okay. Earlier we have seen now the line spectrum of hydrogen, the obtaining different type of lines in different type of region. So why do hydrogen, when it consists only one electron and it have only one orbit, then it should have only one type of wavelength, it should have only continuous spectrum, it should not have line spectrum. He was unable to explain. Again the third one, unable to explain okay, distribution of electron and energies of electron. Actually what? Rutherford told that there may be different type of orbit, different number of orbit, but he was unable to explain in a particular orbit how many electrons will be there and what will be their energy. Okay, and therefore due to these drawback or limitations, Bohr has given his model. So in next class we will study for Bohr's model of atom. Student, again remember, in the last period 5 to 6 videos are given on the basis of Bohr's model. The title was given Bohr's model, but we didn't study for Bohr's model. Getting? But what we studied, the development takes place after the discovery of Rutherford model of atom. So all these videos, that is today's videos and its previous class videos, they were the development after the Rutherford model of atom. Getting? So when we got all these drawback and when we will remove, that is all these drawback will removed by Bohr. So in next class we will study for Bohr's model of atom and quantum mechanics. Yes.